In this particular video, we are told that solve 3y minus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0 and xy is equals to a half. If you are new to Prof Learn YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to upload another tutorial, you'll be notified. This is the time I'm doing a video when we have 800 subscribers. I'd appreciate you guys for following this channel, for being here, and I cannot take it for granted. You've really supported me, and I would like you to like this video and also share it to your friends who can be able to benefit. Now, let's start out this question. Remember, you are told that these are two equations. So from this particular equation here, we can say y is basically equals to 1 over 2x. Yeah, I can be able to rewrite this equation so that I can be able to have in terms of x. So meaning I'm going to substitute now this y, which is this part, into this equation. Anyway, I have y, I'm going to substitute this. So it's going to be 3 into 1 over 2x plus, minus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. If I work out this question, it becomes 3 over 2x minus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Let me multiply all through all these terms that we are having here. All these terms that we are having at this point, I multiply by 2x, I multiply by this one 2x, I multiply this one by 2x, I multiply this guy by 2x, so that I can get rid of the denominator and the fraction that we are having this here. So which means that this one that we have here, this one and this one will commit suicide, so that we can have our equation reducing to 3 minus 4x squared plus 4x is equals to 0. If I rearrange this equation, I'll be having 4x squared minus 4x minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the equation that we have that really we need to solve in order to check what the equation could be. So meaning you can be able to use factorization, you can be able to use a quadratic formula. So for simplicity here, we're going to use a quadratic formula, and in this case we're going to say our x is going to be equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is the quadratic formula, and then we have 2a here. Now in this case, with the way the equation is, you can now attest that our a is equals to 4, our b is equals to negative 4, and our c is equals to negative 3. And how do you go about this? Now we're going to say therefore x is going to be minus b. Now it becomes positive 4 plus minus square root of. Then we are going now to substitute b squared. So this b squared is going to be 16 minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is minus 3. So if we substitute here, of course a is 4, so we shall multiply by 4 there. So if we substitute here, it means we are going to simplify this to 4 plus or minus square root of what? Whatever that we are having inside the square root here is going to translate to 64. Divide by 8 at that point. So that means root 64 is basically 8. And so it will be 4 plus or minus 8 over 8. So the first value of x is going to be 4 plus 8, which is going to be 12. Divide by 8, that is going to be 12 over 8. Of course, this is going to translate to what? Divide by 4 here, it will be 3. Divide by 4 here, it will go twice. So the answer there is going to be 3 over 2. And then for the second part, you are going to have 4 minus 8. So the answer is going to be x is equals to negative 4 over 8. So the answer becomes negative 1 over 2. So that is basically how you are going to work out quadratic simultaneous equations which is of this particular type. And once you are done with that, you are going to find the value of y when x, so we can say when x is equals to 3/2, y is going to be what? We are going to use this guy here. So that is going to be what? That's going to be 1/2 into brackets 3/2. So this and this guy commit suicide, we shall have 1/3 there. So meaning when x is 3/2, y is 1/3. And also when x is equals to -1/2, when x is equals to -1/2, what do we have as value of y? Y is going to be 1/2 into -1/2. So that is going to, this and this will cancel out. We shall have -1 at that particular point. So any given point you are working out question and you are solving simultaneous equations, just follow through these steps so that you can be able to earn all the marks. If you are new to ProfLearn YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to upload a tutorial, you'll be notified. See you in the next video.